and I really need to summarize something. Yes, we are failing. Quality education community, we are failing. But we are not giving up. We are trying. You take we, because our capacity enough, not certainly, but then we can improvise. It will hot now, it will improve something. But really, in a athlete had a take we. Because our part I know now, why they take we. Communication ni mathada malay walk to it. Ideas exchange ka say malay to it. Opinions exchange say malay to it. Opinions sa okay. Closed door behind closed door li, closed room li, group mind is how it is. Jishan kui. Hit I go fail was how nika. Maramba wa ara itumwe matala na private institutions being live fear-stricken environment in the takeaway. Ojabing. They don't have the courage to speak out against the administration of the Haorei school institution. Marambaba ahina breadwinner in a family. Bread and butter is earning. Once he's kicked out of that institution, Zaigawa he kuliwa to kraki Malay the hang shop say tale. Aganaba agava pengjin the ka yo ashuma in the hiva handa you get them now being hilly. Thada being some begins and look at top rock, Katiak. Kala Itumwe, Ojabing, Haorei government whipping Jinazika, Aram Jitane, Shufum of Tani, Imant Litaba Bombergley, your family not high like a substitute teacher high how. Kala Haorei Ramway, Haorei, a town of Pignesica. You will now be you should substitute was a hacker they welcome substitute teacher practices. We're failing. Kala private school institutions being a but how many minutes talk by the school fees to Bahampa now Shaka now Juigaiga yeah like them Shihiyata Baila Paki with Paki admission Jimela school fees in the regular salary being salary. I think we're failing together. All of us are failing together. Okay, kala itu representatives being elected representatives being. Atum like yakning some the young some milik la. Itu TKS still ZEO. How often atum curriculum syllabus we granted? How often have we reviewed our syllabus curriculum? For example, itu mihi hang hangji. Tangko Literature Society na publish salary tangko textbook. How old has it been? Curriculum syllabus. How attractive it is. The quality content it will now wrapping Pangaira Tamairaga, Jilika it will be Ningsam with the Sam Saber Tamai Satellite. It will he had a pinpoint Salaga to Shidak Hamlin, where we really appreciate whatever we are doing, appreciate Salaga, but then there's always a room for improvement. Positive Salaga and criticism you could to work out Sasajiba. I think we as a society we cannot fail. It will excel Sabai the Queen. Haorei education eva atam chunga hangere. I think we have concentrated within the four walls bookish knowledge wang ji fit salga exam pass up by one the man sa to ega ba in a day 10 minutes break circulate 30 minutes recess Jimine where are the other physical activities where are the other extra co-curricular activities for our students it will be totally period she classwork homework textbook and then in a year, how many exposures, I mean, what kind of exposures or platforms or avenues are we giving to our students? Competition kya kli chuwa wa today. Atumi pang tem being kya ki sang san karega to SCPW the society. Kuwa kli akshida. Ngalay home now same ka kubar, sharom same ka kubar. That's it in a year. Science practical examination attorney to test you actually singui. Libraries kya gum thada hai mili. Library feed our prospectus li some shares are sports feed our. The in a hai ban itum he but how my card katam now quality education he lari mangili exam oriented salakana nimi sangai and then itum li job oriented salakaya. Education ji maming sangai mani. Let's focus on personality development of the student. Itum aron graduate ko baila itum kisi ili later like I could be or even outside Manipur ishi maybe he kom sang health graduate ko baila iki sasi kliyan da muchu fuji chung kali de master ko baila. Class 10, kaga hili ko kupili ajaba. I want to do this, I want to do that. I'm good at this, I'm interested in this. The role of an educational institution, the role of a teacher is to identify katam nawa ji kali thiam de le kali na chan de le ka thiam ji li ma tha mai de thiam sa khwai na chan dak le ji li ma tha mai sa khwai ji role ji khwi ming sa ngai musician akang sangai le ga what's there to study class 12 or bachelor's degree khwi vai le chan dar kar sang professional course bang sang pai la kai tung nam fu na degree khwi vai phat khanas le atam na shiman Haorei mi ba katam nawa ji we skills ye na better lifestyle creates how me say there's a big difference between a job and a career. Job here, anyone can do anything. Job stability, financial security. Career, that person will enjoy. Enjoy salaries in money. Let us make an enjoyable learning environment. Lari katam hi ring phang sakse lari katam hi ningsam khwai ring phang sakse wo ojang rap li hi ta da hangala ke yes kuchung ka commitment le la dedicate sala kai na tam ji thei le let us not treat a teacher as just an employment what sa khwai ne to ja sa da ke ji li ma hain sa ma sa kai ne katam nau li khang ji khang ja mo environment ne ma le sa de ma chin la ka thing sing la ka na hi ta Kerjaan Haorei tada kerja sara or Haorei menaga tada kita nau bini bici jam so lega friendly environment ni Malay saksa lewa. Jadi aku bah kita nau baca doubts lagi la menghan lagi, confused style la menghan lagi. Hikta environment hina itu dong experience sa lagi. Once we step out of Ukrut, in Fali Gadarno or even Shillong itu Bangalore lila or Delhi la balo. Uncertain la ojan na hanal menghan kakling. Question ni han ngari la sai tada bau. It hampers our education phase. Fear-stricken environment. Please let us remove it. They're teachers. Instead, no best friend sang sangai katam na waji. Na hi katam na wawi. Best friend sang sangai. Free flow of information ni le communication ni le sangai. Itung katam na wing le curiosity hi le sangai. Intelligence improve sang sangai. Katam na wakana question ni malay kaba. I think there's a problem. Katam na waji kiwang ki ji tuai dan han sak sejo itu yin kiwang tam da le thang ji han sak sejo why are we in school ji han sak sejo homework sakai ka ku bai re presentation hi ku sai ku bai re ji je na ma san sak se 9 to 3 9 ni ka 3 hu mai re ji education hi ku bai re ji ma le sak se dear teachers please ibagi itu hot na mi say and then their government institution with wajan rabi please say no to substitute teachers if you don't want to be a teacher please leave it ibagi katay bingli waja sang sablujo shmishbam la now brahya kali itu educational institutions kamta almost every village has a government institution a government school laser delay but then infrastructure lama le katam na le ka tha ba ra ji waja ba che ba lo katam na le sao bre why not jibaji itu hi sakla kan ko khoi jo na ra ping illusion ne expensive salai ka daily wa tam ki ju de ka chao khri tam pai de le ka ka chao village ni tam pai le ka ava wa ling so bang ka ava wa ling mong so bang bai na na ra atam drug abuse ka chung ka han de le intoxicants li shoot you guy ka chung ka ja hi ava wa ling mong so bang ni shot de le ko ava wa ling so bang ji important sala ni de le ka kai cha mi le ka social security le ka kala ava wa ra into ni ta ngai education here school mang le meaning ne half of the education itum shimli le ko shimli ava ba ra na thala kai na atam ka mention sai the classically tam le le mak thei chung khale le ayali tam dak le bing la khi tam le mak thei la chung khale le please let's pay more attention to our students to our children ava ba ra na ra le attention kami me lo school ju ho kai ko ku bai re si ba si ma sa say school fees to regular sa the base sa say itum na school fee shock da le it's not an expenses they change much high level it is an investment the more you pay for your student for your child the better quality education he or she will receive nan chu me pay sa ga oja pe le dolop chu me mi la ga oja pe training chu me sam pam la ga tha mai kha da tam ji thei ji si ne jo for example 700 rupees average na kuilo singuma khlia is ga something more than 10,000 rupees in a month in a year pay sa da claim day he were the minimum no it me admission la some 3,000 to 5,000 lately, right? It's government, I mean private will to go. It's much the words another cleaning. Please try to pay regularly. Itum taga anaurak simply collective salagan kuibaru ko itum proprietors pingla. Please let us recruit qualified teachers. Let us train and pay more. Train teachers in short success jo kung jida training me va up to date sa price sa kala oja kana words ada play tolot salary ji pay sa jo. Salary deal na some way that was a guy who later day at a family being some later. Please, if I avava ra proprietors being kayang some say, let us say no to the commercial model, but yes to quality. Katamnaga to buy to some by not to numbers, but quality education we got enemy by the quality students got to produce our is a focus say. Yes. Don't find us up but quality compromise. Masa say dear students. Avavang ra ojang ra kala proprietors be principals be hiya kasabda samil leke ithumang na pani miliga. Why are we failing them? Why are we failing ourselves, dear students? Saklaga ni kui say ituna kika spend sa that lane maning ji kituna paisa shoka dam that lane maning ji from the head to toe whatever we are in the class we have in the classroom avavang ra na provide samil le ojang ra na principals be ntu mas line pani mile. There's not a single room, a single excuse why we should fail. There's always it's mandatory for us to succeed in whatever we do. Please let's work harder. Itum society na vava rana hiya ka sabda pani midam itum fail masasa. Kana wasada issue we MLA rapping MP rapping ADC ZEO TKS itum zonos bikatam kashali yang samida claiming. Why are we failing our society? Why are we failing ourselves? Question sangai. Let's do more. It may now rapidly. Munumshan la say. Itum Tamida or Dramutsli, Vaisasi. Itum Kalatana Masakova, Kipan Rasam Yura, Kating Rasam Lagre. We have to do it ourselves. Itum syllabus, itum curriculum, Katadale Lagre clay. Itum Mateli clay. Itum now rubbing key level is at lake. Cormally rhetoric salagana. Oh, Ashima Chili Vide, he Akava Ashimanti. Taka itum Glada, Akva Shokavai, itum Glada Katem, Shokavai, itum Musamrala, itum Abamili, itum Hiva talented Salake, quick learning. But do we have the avenues? Are our representatives providing the avenues for us to succeed? For example, entrepreneurs are like raw resources, but entrepreneur do we have that facility? Startup Manipur, for example, only few, one or two, a couple. MSMU where are the infrastructures? Government school, government colleges, government provides some infrastructures. We're failing as a whole. Let's do this together. Let's come together. Let's do this together. Something in his summarize mentioned. Let's do this often. Education focus on education in a failed society, failed society. But if the education policy, education scenario, I think there's nothing to stop us. Education all right, share it. I conclude something.